Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Linux. Today we are going to learn how to install phpMyAdmin. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel. If you like the video, please hit like to the video. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, we are going to add the command update. Next, we need to install this one. Let's paste this another command. Get text edit is not there, so we need to don't install this. Apache. Configure database for match with dbconfig. The PHP package must have database installed and configure before it can be used. It can be usually handled with the dbconfig. If you are an advanced database, you can know to perform the config manually, or it has a database already installed and configured. You use this option details to be done. Otherwise, you come choose this option. Configure the database with dbconfig. MySQL password. So I'm going to add this one. Okay, done. Moving to the next step. Install the mbstring and all done. Need to enable this mbstring and restart the server. Now we are going to just use this command and give the full permissions to it. Okay, now we are going to give the full permissions to it. Okay, flash privileges. Now we can use this one, exit. Okay, so this is how we are able to install the phpMyAdmin. So let's see to locate this one. Localhost phpMyAdmin. So it says something that MySQL extensions are missing, phpMyAdmin error. So I will fix in the coming issues. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.